So welcome back to the Profitl channel. Today we have a very important topic for you all about Amazon FBA fees or Amazon fees in general. If you are considering using Amazon's FBA service, this video is for you, so make sure to keep watching. And as always, hit that subscribe button. Now, before we start, let me just introduce you. We are Profitl. We are an Amazon FBA software. We have a deal analyzer, a deal finder, and a wholesale scanner. And of course, our amazing Discord community. We do have an exclusive YouTube discount code, which will pop up just here. So if you were looking to start your Amazon FBA journey, please do take that down. But that's enough about us. Let's get into the video by starting off talking about what Amazon FBA actually is. For those who may just be getting started, Amazon FBA stands for Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. And what it means is you buy products, you send them into Amazon's warehouse, they will store them, they will advertise them, they will sell them, they will dispatch them and deal with all the customer service. So it's a great method for selling online, really hands off. Your only real job is finding your products and sending them into Amazon's warehouse. But of course, there are fees to this. It is going to cost you money. So what are those fees? Well, let us get into it. Now, there are quite a variety of fees when selling on Amazon, but your two main ones are your FBA or your fulfillment fees and your referral fees. And your FBA fees, you only pay these if you're doing FBA, but your referral fees, you pay this whether you're doing FBA or if you're doing FBM, which means fulfilled by merchant. Now, first up with your referral fees, this is the fee you pay to Amazon just for advertising and selling your product on their website. And it's worked out based on a percentage of the sale price, and it depends on the category. So all categories have a set percentage, or it might be a percentage range. So X% over £10, for example. But typically they range from about 6%, can be all the way up to 45%, but most are going to be between around 10 and 15%. We will put a link in the description where you can check out all the percentage referral fees for each of the different categories. And then so your next big fee is your FBA fee, so your Fulfillment by Amazon fee. So this is the fee you pay to Amazon for them sending it to your customer and everything in between. Of course, this does include them packaging up the item and all of the logistics in between. This fee is based on the size and the weight of your item. So obviously heavier items, bigger items, they are going to cost you more money, and smaller items are going to be much cheaper to be sending out. So they are the two main types of fees. The next type of fees you may come across are storage fees. So these are fees you pay to Amazon for storing your products in their warehouse for an extended period of time. Of course, if you have products in their warehouse and they're sat there doing nothing, you are taking up space. So Amazon are going to charge you for this. And this is why you don't want products which are really slow sellers. You want your products to go in and be sold. You don't want to keep your products in Amazon for a long time because it is going to cost you money. Now, Amazon charges these fees on a monthly basis. They vary depending on the size of the item, but also the time of year. If you're storing products in their warehouse at Christmas, that is going to cost you more money because everybody wants their products in Amazon's warehouse at Christmas. They're going to charge you extra for that. So these are all things you do need to bear in mind when selling on Amazon. Now, while your FBA and your referral fees are the main fees you're going to be facing, there are a huge number of other smaller fees you may come across, but most of them you won't. And some of these can include additional fees for larger items, preparation fees for when you're sending your products into their warehouse, and of course your shipping into Amazon's warehouse. So you have to pay to send your products into Amazon's warehouse. It is very convenient. It is actually very affordable, so there's nothing to be scared of, but these are all things you do need to factor in when starting your Amazon FBA business. Now, as I just mentioned, the prep requirements, Amazon does have a number of other services just to make your life a bit easier when it comes to managing your business. For example, you can use the Amazon label service. This is where Amazon will put a label or a barcode on all of your products so you don't have to do it. However, we recommend not to use this. Do all of your prep work yourself because it's quite easy to do and you do want to be trying to save as much money as possible. So if you are selling on Amazon, understanding your fees is a vital part of your business, and it's crucial for calculating your profit correctly, which you need to do before you even buy your products. You need to know how much profit you should be getting back. So when you are setting your product prices on Amazon, it's really important that you know what your FBA, your referral fee, any storage fees, your postage into Amazon, and any other personal fee you may face in running your business, how much they're going to cost you, because the last thing you want is to be sending your products in, to be selling them, and then you find out you've actually been selling them for a loss. So it's really, really important to stay on top of your your fees. So that is the basics of how Amazon FBA fees work, and it's really important to keep on top of Amazon's fees because they do change them quite regularly. Don't think you know what your fees are going to be. Always try and stay on top of them. At Profitl, on our deal analyzer, we do this. We always stay on top of the fees and any changes, but it is important for you to know as well what fees Amazon are going to be charging you. So if you did find this video helpful, please do hit that subscribe button. You'll find all of our important links in the descriptions, our social media and our sign up link. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one.